So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What is up, JJLEE squad? It's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video. Don't mind the hair. It's gonna get brighter. I know I've changed a little bit, but I would like to, you know how y'all been working hard. Been saying version 3 is coming. The new wheels, new everything, new kit. Well, I finished putting the kit on, and I want to show y'all what I've been working on. So I would like to formally introduce y'all to the version 3 of my car, 392 Cerberus, with the Lions kit on the car. Bam. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I'm gonna go around it, but y'all will see and look. I'm just be quiet and go around the kit. See the hips in the back. Y'all notice a few different things, but yeah. New badge. This is the kit that I worked so hard on. It took about 2 days because I did, you know, on my whole kit. Went up my friend car over there. But like I said, got new badges, got the hood, got the hardware. It was honestly, it was pretty hard lining everything up, getting it ready. And then y'all can see I had to cut a whole bunch up on there. I got good clearance. Now I can even lower it if I want to. I cut under there and I sprayed and I painted white under there. But y'all see the thing, half red, half white. Got all that forged carbon. I painted the diffuser, half red, half white, black spots. Touched up the tip, like I said, look how thick it is, bro. I'm gonna get y'all a few rollers too, but this is how it's looking, bro. Perfect. Like it was a few little hiccups, like getting the kit on there right, and cause I pretty much did this whole install by myself, bro. It was hard, but I hooked it up, new badges. Like I said, there's a couple pieces I didn't have. Like it's pieces that were like this one I didn't need. There's door pieces. I didn't want to have the door pieces because it's just unnecessary. It's not like it's gonna change the whole outlook, but like I said, this is the new kit. 101. Nobody has this in Waco, bro. Nobody has this kit in Waco. Of course, after this, y'all gonna see some rollers, little flybys of it, but I wanted to go ahead and reveal this to y'all and say hello to the new kit, new car, version 3, Cerberus 392, bro. And that's how this baby's looking. Never before seen, thick, and it's looking aggressively crazy, bro. I love the hardware. Shout out to Downstar Hardware. They hooked it up, and this baby's just looking mean, bro. I got 2 inch spaces in the back with the 20x11 wheels, no spaces in the front. So, like I said, I got the half red, half white snorkels, new grills, everything, bro. And it all came together really good. I'm really happy. Sorry about the wind. Sorry about the wind. But other than that, I say this pretty much completes what I want to do. Honestly, I'll probably get some either oil loaders, lower the car. But like I said, everything matches in here. Half red, half white, little taste of black. There go the other pieces. I was gonna add them, but I changed my mind. But bruh, look at that. This car has had 3 different changes, bro. And it's come a long way. And I did a lot, saved a lot, worked hard a lot, and I finally got what y'all see today. I was breaking necks all day, bro. Even when I first installed it, breaking necks. I wanted to get like a good roller videos and a good, but I want to get like a freaking reveal video, but you know, my film buddies fell through, so I was like, let me just go ahead and release it the way I want to release it, and I'll come back and give people some nice rollers and stuff like that later. But, I can see this baby's on. gloss black wheels, touched it up. Got the gloss black diffuser too. But yep. Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. Y'all enjoy these rollers and little flybys of the kit. And you know, just tell me what y'all think. More to come. Y'all will see this at a lot of car shows. Because I'm going to start going now. Because I didn't put in work like this. I'm going to let everybody see it. But like I said, it was small little hiccups. Like, I'm going to give you a way to hold the kit down a little bit. So I got some zip tie like right in the middle. Like right there. That way it kind of won't flap in the wind. And that one's kind of like, it's a tad bit cricket, but it's alright. That just means I tried my best and I did it, but it's on there. But that's pretty much it. Let me give y'all a cold start. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Oh, shoot. Y'all tell me what y'all think, and I will catch y'all later. Go ahead.